In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for research projects. Now, if you want to be organized, you need to use a group. So click here and you're going to have a group, right? And you can rename it however you want, right? And once you rename it, this is where you dump all the information, all the media, URLs, websites, PDFs, Google Sheets, Microsoft Word documents, everything, right? So for example, we want to research uh, pretty much about confirmation for show horses, right? So we're gonna add this there. We're gonna add this. There you go. We're gonna make it bigger because we're gonna add a bit more. We're gonna add this one. There we go. And then we're gonna add lastly this article, right? So we have 4 articles here that we are going to use about confirmation of show jumping horses. Now we have everything here, right? Now we need to click this. This is going to be our engine, our heart for this project. Now this is the Poppy chat. If you move it here, by default, it's going to be connected to your group. Now, if it's not connected for some reason, click on the circle here from your group to Poppy chat. And as you can see, it is not connected. And if you look here on the bottom of it, it's going to show you all the articles here. Now, I'm just going to prompt however you want. You can be basic, you can go complex, right? So here, you're going to see a prompt something like, I want you to give me a very in-depth explanation about the conformation of show jumpers using the articles in the group connected, right? Do that. It's going to start thinking. It's going to give you something very long, because that's the good thing about Poppy, is that it's not going to pull any punches. It's going to be very, very accurate. It's going to be very long. So after this, you can just copy this and paste it in a Word document outside of Poppy. And yeah, if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description we provided below. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.